This video is available in English and Hindi. Namaskar. Welcome back to Simplify Your Space. We all eagerly wait for festivals, but they come and vanish. Diwali was here and gone before I realized it. This cyclic nature of festivals brings in freshness to our lives, which otherwise may become mundane at times. Yummy traditional food, catching up with friends and family, and making our homes look special. It is a nice change from the usual routine. But eventually we have to return to our normal ways. So let's talk about how I tidy up my home after the festivals are over. After I took down the Diwali decorations, I gathered everything and stored it in one place. I repurpose some pillowcases to store the flower hangings. Each year I make it a point to carefully save all the decorations for reuse in the upcoming festival seasons. Keeping these items safe not only extends their lifespan but also saves us from buying new ones next year. If you have been following my journey for a while, you might have noticed that many of these decorations have been part of my setups for years. I use leftover takeaway food containers to neatly store small items, keeping them clean and secure. Sturdy cardboard boxes are also okay for organizing smaller pieces. It is important to label the contents of each box on the top, making it easier to find specific items without having to open every box. I always keep some bubble wrap handy to safely wrap delicate glass items for storage. If bubble wrap is not available, newspaper can serve as a substitute. When storing string lights, I make sure to remove their batteries to prevent any leakages. I wrap the string lights around empty paper rolls, preventing tangling and ensuring easy use for the next year. Once everything is packed, I place them in a large carton box for storage. Items like big urlis, which are only used during Diwalis, are carefully placed in a pillow cover for safekeeping. I had a set of battery-operated LED candles. However, one of them got damaged due to battery leakage. It is a good practice to always remove the batteries from LED candles before storing them. After packing everything, I place the boxes safely in the loft. We also have a dedicated video on how to pack and store festive decoration items. If you wish to watch this video for some tips, link is given in the description box below. I also took the time to clean and put away the puja thali and diyas. I recently shared a video detailing how I organize the temple items. You can find the link in the description box. As we transition back to our regular routine, it is time to make some adjustment in the house. Today I will change the decorative cushion covers in the living room. While these fancy covers look stunning, they are not very practical for everyday use due to their slightly rough fabric. For daily use, I prefer using soft and comfortable cotton covers. I've also tweaked the decor a bit, and now our living room feels refreshed. Next on the list is dressing the dining table with the colorful table cover I purchased during Diwali, which I'm putting to use now. During the Diwali cleaning, I gave the dining chairs a thorough clean. To protect them from dust and stains, I always use chair covers, removing them only for special occasions. Additionally, I have added a few more planters to the space. Festival means lot of sweets and yummy dishes, but now it's time to return to a regular diet. To curb sweet cravings, I have replaced all the sweets with fresh fruits, dry fruits and dates on the dining table. And just like that, our dining area is all set and ready for regular use. Today I am also taking care of my festival clothes. The ones needing dry cleaning will go to the cleaner, while I will wash and press the others at home. It is important to pack away the jewelry we wore during the festivals properly to keep it shiny. I usually use separate pouches for each piece. If I don't have those, the plastic pouches they come in work fine too. These pouches protect them from dust and preserve their shine. Now it is time to focus on my work from home desk. Today I will clean and organize this space where I get all my work done. The manuals and documents that came with new products will find a spot in my document box. I have cleared out the packing material and various gifts that were stored here, putting everything back in its rightful place. With a thorough cleaning session, my desk is now set up and ready to go. During Diwali, we finally purchased 2 office chairs that we had been planning to get for a while. My husband and I had been on the lookout for office chairs for some time. Our search ended at IKEA, and it was a mini celebration for us during Diwali when we finally found these 2 comfortable chairs. Today I also decided to repurpose the flowers used in temple for puja and rangoli by letting them dry in the sun. Today's project, creating trendy DIY incense cones and havan cup from these flowers, a popular trend on YouTube lately. To start making the incense cups, I thoroughly dried the flowers and added them in the grinder with a handful of cloves, camphor and about 5 to 6 bay leaves and blending everything together. Adding ghee and the essential oils of my choice, eucalyptus for repelling mosquitoes and mogra for fragrance. I kneaded the mixture well. Shaping them, I used ice cube trays as molds and left them to set. After a while, I removed them and stored the incense cubes in a box. Voila! Homemade incense cubes made from old flowers. It is amazing how much I have accomplished today. During festivals, we indulge in delicious dishes, but eventually we start missing a simple dal and rice. There is something special about this humble and comforting meal. The satisfaction it brings is truly enjoyable. The clothes have been dry cleaned and now I will pack them well to store safely for next year's use. I had an incident where I wore a dress after it had been stored for more than a year post dry cleaning and it caused a bad allergy on my neck, taking about 7 to 10 days to heal, requiring medication. The skin doctor mentioned that clothes stored for a while can collect dust and cause allergies. To prevent this, it is wise to cover and store festive clothes using cloth or poly bags or even old pillowcases. Thank you all for liking the suits I wore during these festivals. I bought all these from Myntra and Lifestyle during the festival sale. You will find links to them in the description box below. That's all for today's video. Let's say goodbye to the festivals happily, looking forward to celebrating them even better next year. Now I will see you all next week. Till then, happy organizing from Simplify Your Space. Bye bye.